This is a quick tutorial on how to use the new and the reset button in XVWeb 3D. I've drawn a cross-sectional curve here. We see my panoramic view, my cross-sectional view, and if I were going to draw my nerve, I might use the tools in the upper right-hand corner that are available for you. Brightness, contrast, and gamma with the slide bar, sharpen, denoise, thickness, is a great one if I wanted to change the thickness of the slice. So minimize and maximize. So let's maximize this, and I will do just that. I'm going to change the thickness. I'm going to kind of bring that down. Go to Canal, and you can draw from the cross-sectional view, you can draw from the panoramic view, and again, if you wanted to change your thickness, come into the upper right hand corner and you could take that, the lower the number, you know, the grainier the image, you can see that nerve a little bit better. So I'll just draw a quick nerve here. So you just want to click, make your points, double click at the end. You can always readjust those, you know, by left holding on them and narrowing those in. And if I wanted to continue drawing that, click on Canal and draw again. So once I'm through with my canal drawing, you know, you could always bring the thickness back to your desired level. If I've done any labeling at all, if I've, you know, drawn an arrow pointing out any specific point of interest, and I just want to start over. I don't want to keep any of this. I'm going to minimize that down. The new button, and it tells you exactly what it does when you hover over it. It removes your current save file, all canal traces, implants, labels, and resets everything to a fresh start. So the difference between that is it's going to reset the crossbars and removes any annotations with the MPR windows. We're in the cross-sectional view, so this wouldn't work here. But the new button is what we would do if we don't want to save this. Let's click on new. And we're back to a fresh start. We can draw another curve and go to a different area of interest. I'm going to go into that MPR view just to show you about the reset button. So if I've got a point of, let me turn my measuring off. If I've got a point of interest that we're looking at, let's just double click on that implant. You know, I can rotate by holding that interior dot there. So the interior dots rotate, the exterior dots move you buccal and lingual. So if I'm here and I'm looking at this, and maybe have you know, measured, I've drawn some labeling, anything that I've done that is on here that I want to reset, the reset button. It's going to return the crossbar positions and remove all annotations. The labeling, all of that is annotations. The arrow, the implant, the measurement. I'm going to click reset, and it takes it back to square one. That's a quick tutorial on the new for the cross-sectional view and the reset button in the MPR view in XVWeb 3D.